Hey guys, it's Joe. Welcome back. Today I got two of the new Topps Heritage 2018 baseball fat packs. I was at Target, saw them, figured I'd pick them up, try something a little bit different. Definitely like the Topps Heritage cards. I'm always down with anything retro style, and these are in the 1969 Topps design. A little bit older than me. I'm an 80s kid, but said anything retro in design is something that's always going to get my attention. I figure we check these out, see if we get any lucky hits. I mean, they definitely have that classic look. Gotta love that style there. Really nice. Stock is nice. Really nice cards. Oh. It's an interesting insert we got there. Paul Goldschmidt. Nice. Looks like a printed on autograph, not a legit autograph. All right, I definitely could get into these cards like that. Check out the second pack here. See how we do. And there's our insert. Nice. Well, that's it for today. Not sure how many baseball packs I might do, but I do have to say I definitely like this style and think that the Topps Heritage are a really nice way to go if you're going to collect baseball. All right, guys, thanks for checking me out today, and I'll be back with another video real soon.